English learners. Today we are going to learn about possessive adjectives. We use them to show or to clarify that something belongs to me, to you, or to someone else. So when I own something, or when she owns something, or when he owns something, you get the point. We use possessive adjectives. Make sure you have a paper and pencil to write these down. They are very important. Are you ready? Let's start. For I would use my. For she, we would use her. For he, we would use his. For it, we would use its. For we would use our. For you, we would use your. For they, we would use their. Repeat after me. My, her, his, its, our, your, and their. Great job! So we use my when something belongs to me. My bracelet. We use his if something belongs to a man or a boy. This is his hat. We use her if something belongs to a girl or a woman. This is her necklace, not mine. We use its if something belongs or when we're talking about something that isn't alive or that isn't human. For example, a plant or an animal. I could say, this is my plant, and its leaves are green and brown. We use your when something belongs to you. So I could ask you, how was your day? We use our if we're talking about something that belongs to me and you, or me and someone else. So if I say our and I have my friend next to me, then I'm talking about me and my friend. So imagine our teacher asks us, how was your day? I could answer, our day was great. My day and my friend's day. We use their if we're talking about something that belongs to more than one person, but not including myself. So I could say, their flag is red, blue, and white. And I understand, guys, that this might be complicating because some of these possessive adjectives sound like other words that we have learned already. For example, its. It sounds like the contracted form of it and is. Your sounds like the contracted form of you are. The same thing for their. They are. Which is why we need to practice. This is my desk, not your desk. This is my desk. This is my cat, my cat. And this is its leash. My cousin gave me his pen. This is not mine, it's his. I hope you guys were able to understand this lesson and to learn about the possessive adjectives. I want you guys to comment down below a sentence talking about yourself or your family using possessive adjectives. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Bye!